In this video, we listed the 5 best printer for sticker that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon TS9320. The Canon Pixmer TS9320WH is a versatile inkjet printer designed for efficient and high-quality printing. It features multiple connectivity options including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB, making it convenient for various printing scenarios. This printer is equipped with a special feature set that includes printing, scanning, copying, a display screen, and mobile printing capabilities. Its sleek white design houses a 1.44-inch OLED display and LED status bar for easy navigation and printer status monitoring from a distance. The printer employs a 5-individual ink system, allowing users to replace only the specific ink tank that runs out, rather than a partially used tricolor cartridge, ensuring cost-effectiveness and vibrant print quality. The Pixmer TS9320WH also boasts an auto-expandable output tray that automatically extends when printing from smartphones and tablets, even if the printer is powered down. With a maximum monochrome print speed of 15 ppm and color print speed of 10 ppm, this model provides efficient printing performance while maintaining high-quality output. Despite its advanced features, the printer is lightweight at just 1 pound, making it easy to move and set up in different locations. Number 2. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 is a wireless inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo and creative project printing. It features cartridge-free printing with Epson's high-accuracy printhead and Claria ET Premium 6-color inks, delivering vibrant colors and sharp text. The printer supports a range of media, including borderless photos up to 13 inches by 19 inches and specialty media like cardstock and CDs, DVDs. It offers a maximum print speed of 12 ppm for color and 16 ppm for monochrome. The EcoTank system provides significant savings, allowing users to print 4-inch by 6-inch photos for about 4 cents each compared to traditional ink cartridges. The printer's high-yield ink bottles can save up to 80% on replacement costs, equivalent to about 100 individual cartridges per set, and are designed for easy refilling. Users can print, scan, and manage the printer via the Epson Smart Panel app on iOS and Android devices. The ET8550 includes a 4.3-inch color touch display, voice-activated printing, and a 2-year limited warranty with registration. Epson emphasizes using genuine ink to maintain print quality and protect the printer under warranty. Number 3. HP ENVY Inspire 7955E. The HP ENVY Inspire 7955E is a versatile inkjet printer from America's most trusted printer brand, designed for home use with a focus on printing high-quality borderless photos, documents, and creative projects. It offers both wired and wireless connectivity, with print speeds of up to 10 ppm in color and 15 ppm in black and white. The printer features auto-duplex printing, a 2.7-inch touchscreen, a dedicated photo tray, and an automatic document feeder. With the activation of HP Plus, users receive 3 months of instant ink subscription, which automatically ships ink to prevent running out, and provides advanced mobile printing features, security, and automatic updates. The printer is designed for vibrant photo printing, offering true-to-phone quality prints and supports specific photo paper sizes optimized for the HP ENVY Inspire series. The HP Smart app allows users to print, scan, and copy from their phones, while the printer's sustainable design incorporates over 45% recycled plastic. It requires original HP ink cartridges with HP chips, blocking non-HP chips to ensure quality and sustainability measures are maintained through periodic firmware updates. Number 4. Canon TS9521C. The Canon Pixmer TS9521C is a versatile inkjet printer designed for both craft projects and everyday printing needs. It features wireless, Bluetooth, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, allowing users to print from a variety of devices including smartphones, tablets, memory cards, and computers. The printer supports AirPrint and Maria Print service, enhancing its compatibility with different platforms. It comes with 5 individual inks and ChromaLife 100 technology to protect photos from fading, ensuring longevity up to 100 years in an album, 30 years behind glass, and 20 years without glass. The Pixma TS9521C is equipped with a range of special features such as scanning, an auto document feeder, borderless printing, and a memory card slot. It supports 12-inch by 12-inch paper, booklet layout copying, oversized scanning, and can handle multi-page documents efficiently. The printer outputs color prints with a maximum speed of 10 pages per minute for color and 15 pages per minute for monochrome. Weighing 21.3 pounds and available in white, the model name for this printer is Canon TS9521C. For detailed technical specifications, users can refer to the specification sheet provided in the technical specification section. Number 5. Epson Photo XP 970. The Epson XP 970 is a versatile, wide-format photo all-in-one printer designed for both professional and personal use. It features advanced inkjet printing technology and offers wireless and wired connectivity options, making it compatible with a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and PCs. This printer is equipped with a range of special features such as borderless printing, a touch screen, and a memory card slot. It supports fast, high-quality printing with Epson genuine cartridges, producing brilliant photos up to 11 inches by 17 inches with its 6-color Claria Photo HD inks. The XP 970 also accommodates specialty media through a rear paper feed and can print directly onto CDs and DVDs. Its innovative fold-over scan lid ensures originals are held securely during scanning. The printer is designed for convenience, offering easy PC-free printing and hands-free, voice-activated printing for various creative projects. It also provides tools for photo adjustments like red eye removal and photo restoration, along with the ability to scan and share images directly to the cloud. With a maximum print speed of 8 ppm for color and 8.5 ppm for monochrome prints, the Epson XP 970 combines efficiency with superior photo performance in an ultra-slim design.